We are developing across most of the cities that we operate in India. Starting from the south, we are coming up with about 1.3 million square feet of state-of-the-art International Tech Park, Chennai Radial Road. That should be ready by the end of this year. We are also developing another 700,000 square feet of space in our International Tech Park, Bangalore business park, which should be ready again by the end of this year. In addition, we are also looking to complete the construction of 1.3 million square feet at our International Tech Park, Pune campus as well. Notwithstanding this, which we are developing directly, we also have a very active forward purchase program wherein we are looking at a pipeline of anywhere between 3 to 4 million square feet to be acquired across the cities in Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai. So overall, it's quite active. Overall, we are really optimistic about our growth plans. It starts off with our global presence. We are a very diversified real estate player. We can provide solutions across the globe, be it in Singapore, China, Japan, India, Australia, Europe, or the US. So it makes it very easy for our tenants because the companies need to just engage with one landlord for their multiple regions, not just globally, but also regionally in India. We are among the most diversified developers. We have presence in all the 6 major cities, be it your Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, or NCR, which pretty much covers 98% of the total stock that is available in commercial office space today. So it starts with that. And next we move on to the design basis itself. We are very focused on developing highly efficient and sustainable buildings. So a tenant would definitely know that a CapitaLand Park would be well located, will be sustainable, will be efficient from a floor plan efficiency perspective, and it is something which has the best connectivity in the market as well. So he's rest assured that when he chooses a CapitaLand Park, all his business needs are taken care of. So that's one way we differentiate. It's not just in developing the buildings. We are not a real estate trading company. We just don't develop and sell. We operate these buildings through different platforms, be it private funds or the listed entities, which means that we invest a lot in terms of maintaining these assets and keeping them contemporary. Some of the oldest buildings that we operate are about 25 years old, but yet if you visit them, you wouldn't find that they are 25 years old. We have an active capex that is invested in maintaining these properties regularly so that they maintain their contemporariness. After that, it's also about the maintenance. Unlike most developers, we don't outsource our property maintenance staff. It is all in-house, which means that the focus on maintaining the properties is much more sharper than what would be for an outsourced staff. And last but not the least, and probably the most important of all, is how we engage with our clients. We have a very strong customer support and solutions team, which is we approach them at the global level through our Singapore office, at the regional level through our offices which are centralized in each of the countries, say Bangalore in India, and also regionally in each of the locations that these buildings are. So we are able to address the concerns of our client at a much faster rate. And of course, we do commit our mistakes and we learn from them, but we are always there to take that feedback from the client and go back and make the correction as quickly as possible. So these are some of the things which really differentiates us from our competition and ensures that when a tenant thinks about a landlord, we are the first name of choice for them. It's a very diversified set of clients that we have. Typically, people think that Indian business parks developer, it's going to be IT companies. Yes, we have the largest IT companies in the world occupying our parks, but that's just not it. We have a lot of pharmaceutical companies that are operating out of here. A lot of research gets done in our parks. We have healthcare insurance providers that run insurance processes for pretty much every bill that gets paid out in the US. You have automotive companies who are developing automotive components, designing and developing automotive components here. We have regular engineering companies, equipment manufacturers who support some of these automotive and healthcare professionals. We have e-commerce, we have gaming companies, so most of the games, the FIFA games that you play get developed here. Not only that, you also have multimedia companies. A lot of content you may be watching in Netflix and Amazon Prime gets actually produced from within our business parks. Diversified set of tenants, and so our cash flows are not tied to any one particular industry as such, and we cater to the requirements of all our tenants, because of the wide variety of choices that we are able to give. You want to do software services, you want to do R&D, you actually want to do manufacturing. We have industrial facilities. iPhones get shipped out of industrial parks that we operate out of. So we cater to all the needs of any and every kind of tenant there is in the world.